Reading po ulit sa kabilang kamay naman. Masakit na yung left hand ko. We'll see. Yan. Yan. So malinaw naman sa video. There you go. Whoa. So 108, no? Since mababa yung sugar count ko, so I'll take this opportunity, opportunity, no? I-measure ko na rin yung breakfast for today. So almost the same with what I ate yesterday, pero this time mag-experiment tayo. Nag 2 cups ako ng rice and we'll see kung ano yung spike. I think yesterday 1 cup lang ng rice, nag-start tayo at 104, umakyat siya ng 138, tapos bumaba ng 121. So we'll see today kung ano yung magiging spike na itong 2 cups ng sugar. So babalikan ko kayo after an hour and we'll see kung ano yung magiging reading niya. Yun, so kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. It's been an hour. It's already 11:16, 11:17 a.m. Kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. It's been quite some time since the last time I ate that much rice. So 2 cups. Years na rin po that I've been trying to consume at least 1 cup of rice lang every meal. So for the sake of experiment, so I decided to do that and we'll see kung ano yung spike niyan sa blood sugar. Here you go. So, yan. Boom! Nakita niyo po? So, yeah, goodness, my doctor will kill me. 212, so imagine from 108 all the way up to 212. So, ang difference po from yesterday, 1 cup of rice. Today, 2 cups of rice po yung intake ko. So, 212. We'll see kung bababa na siya an hour after. So, I'll be back. Yan po. So, it's already 12:15 p.m. So, it's time to get another blood sugar reading. So, this is, now, it's already 2 hours after I ate. So, tama lang siya for blood reading. Wait lang. Yun. Hopefully malinaw siya sa video. Okay. So 182. 2 hours after I ate. Again, no? So nag-start tayo ng 108, umakyat siya ng 212. Now it's down to 182. So pababa na yan. Unfortunately, hindi maganda yung impact or epekto ng 2 cups of white rice sa akin. So yun, ito po yung itsura ng blood sugar spikes pag pinlat na po siya sa graph. So it's pretty obvious na malaki po talaga yung impact ng rice sa blood sugar po natin, especially sa mga Filipinos, because it's part of our meals. Most of the time, mga 3 to 4 times a day pa akong kumain ng rice sa mga Pinoy. So, yeah, yan po yung itsura niya.